Okay, I got a Bead of the Month kit in the mail today from Darn Good Yarn. It makes one necklace. Now, I'm really not much of a jewelry maker. I was just interested in seeing what type of beads and stuff I get, and then honestly add them into knitting items. Ooh, we got a bunch of little hooks, which I do use the jump rings and different things. Got the cord for the necklace. These look, I don't think these are real turquoise. They look like plastic. Let me open it up and we'll check. I got these tiny beads, which I do have some lace weight yarn that these would actually be pretty cute on. Yeah, these feel like plastics. I don't think they're real turquoise. Let's look at the picture. Oops, I dropped it. The picture of the necklace it makes. Okay, that's cute. Alright guys, this is the Bead of the Month subscription from Darn Good Yarn. There's extra information and stuff about this in the video description below. They have Bead of the Month, Sock of the Month, Yarn of the Month, and Skirt of the Month or something. They've got a few different things you can choose from. Oh, here we go. There's their different one. Fabric, beads, yarn, skirt, and sock yarn. So there's the different options. That's what I got for that. I hope you guys enjoy. Of course, information, video description below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn your notifications on. That's that little bell. Once you hit subscribe, a little bell will pop up and you can click it so that you'll receive emails when I have new patterns and videos and stuff come out. Thank you guys so much for watching.